Hello! Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Bono Magus. My name is Angel Francia, and this is used to be Angel Francia PH Tarot. Ayan. Mga madam and sir, I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So, in today's video, this is gonna be your weekly reading from September 17th to 23rd of September. So, 17 to 23, ayan. Weekly reading for our Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, by the way, paalala lang sa lahat, this is a general reading. Hindi po ito magre-resonate po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Okay? So, just take only what resonates in your situation po and leave out the rest. Ayan. Okay. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Weekly reading from September 17 to 23. Kapalaran sa love, money, and career, spirit guides and angels, and of course, kukuha tayo ng advice mamaya. Okay, you have the 7 of Cups. Okay, there are some opportunities na darating sa ating mga earth signs this week. Okay, some of you have wishful thinking, ang dami yung iniisip, may mga options kayo. Okay, parang hirapan kayong mag-decide. Okay, some of you have this energy of daydreaming about the situation. Alam mo yung nagdi-dreaming ka. Okay, so maybe because this is your first energy. Okay, next you have, mamaya isa-isa natin, you have the Lovers. Okay, maybe you are daydreaming about your twin flame, soulmate this week, or maybe yan din ang energy niya. Some of you could be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, who's daydreaming about you, or you are daydreaming about your person. Could also be a Gemini with a Lover's card. This could be a third-party situation, doesn't have to be, but with the Lover's card, it could be, posible na may third party. Okay, but with the Lover's card, I can see there's love in the air, relationship, there's harmony, there is union. Ayan, magkikita siguro kayo this week. There is also strong sexuality and passion. Okay? Ayan, there's deep love happening for you this week, Earth signs. Next, you have the King of Wands. Ooh, the Three of Swords. The Hermit. You have the Six of Wands. The Three of Pentacles. And the Queen of Wands. The King and Queen of Wands is here. So definitely there's a strong, this week, it looks like, you also have the Queen of Cups. Ooh, full of love. Mukhang magiging, mostly this is about love and relationship this week. Highlight of your week, kumbaga. Magiging highlight of your week this week, September 17 to 23, Earth sign, is your love and relationship, romantic love life. Now, definitely a third party with the Three of Pentacles and the Lovers. So, meron ditong tao na nag-iisip sa'yo. Okay? By Earth signs. Iniisip kanya, ang dami niyang, itong possibly a fire sign also. Or maybe this is you. Because you have Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. This represents your energy, okay? No, sorry. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Some of you are dealing with an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Okay? Forgive me. I'm only human. Okay? My mistake. Sorry. Ayan. So, Earth signs. Iniisip ka ng tao na to. Okay? Kaya lang nasasaktan siya. Posibleng masasaktan siya. Or ikaw. This week. And possibly na yung person mo is emotionally distant right now with a Hermit. And this person is trying to get your attention, or you are trying to get your attention. Parang kinukuha mo, nagpapapansin ka, parang Nadi-disappoint ka kasi, nasasaktan ka kasi wala siyang magiging time sa'yo this week. Emotionally distant ang person mo this week. Okay? Ayan. You have a vision about, maybe you are daydreaming about you and your person being together, maging kayo na, maging mas deep pa ang relationship ninyo, mas stronger pa. You have, ang dami mong mga ini-expect maybe, or ang dami mong pinapangarap sa inyong dalawa. Tama ba? But, nasasaktan ka kasi it looks like na yung person mo is committed elsewhere, or meron siyang ibang kinakasama, and now nahihirapan kang kunin yung attention niya, full attention niya, kumbaga. So, it's either you are emotionally distant or will be emotionally distant this week, and you're trying to get some answers about, tama ba ang ginagawa ko na to? Masaya pa ba ako? Ano kayang iniisip niya about sa akin? Ano mga pinaplano niya? Ano kayang next move niya? Ano kaya ang mga nararamdaman niya sa akin? Iniisip din ba niya ako ngayon? Parang something like that ang nakukuha kong energy. And you're trying to get your attention. But no doubt that you have each other's, you're both attracted to each other. No doubt about that. The question is, who is loving who? Ang tanong dito is, sinong nagmamahal sa inyong dalawa, or dalawa kayo nagmamahal? Kasi may Three of Swords eh. Yung Three of Swords is definitely someone's heart broken. So definitely there's someone here who's feeling heartbroken. This could be you. For some of you, kung hindi naman ikaw to, yung iba sa inyo, yung person mo ang nasasaktan. Bakit? Kasi nga may third party. Okay? Ngayon, ang tanong, parehas ba ninyong mahal ang isa't isa? Or ikaw lang ang laging umiintindi, ikaw lang ang nagmamahal, ikaw lang ang nag-aaruga or nagki-care sa kanya, siya walang pakialam? That's the question with the Queen of Cups. Because Queen of Cups, sometimes, ang negative kasi sa Queen of Cups, siya yung nagbulag na siya sa mga mali na isang tao, kahit na kumbaga martyr, nandun pa rin yung pagiging martyr and loving, compassionate despite sa mga flaws sa person niya. Ganun naman, kumbaga ang Queen of Cups is very siya, unconditional kung mag-love, kung magmahal. Okay? Ayan. Kahit na minamanipulate na siya ng person niya, mahal na mahal pa rin. Kahit niloloko na mahal pa rin. Sinasaktan na, although hindi naman physically sinasaktan. Alam mo yung emotional pain na nararamdaman ng isang tao na hindi natin masabi-sabi na nagtatampo na tayo, mahal pa rin natin yung tao. Ganyan po ang mga Queen of Cups. Okay? So maybe this is gonna be the highlight of your week. Okay? We'll get down to your business and career in a moment. Okay? When it comes to your business and career, you are very motivated this week, or you will be. You are driven, focused. Ibig sabihin, talagang motivated ka na maabot ang mga pangarap mo. So, take this opportunity to embody this King of Wands this week. With the Queen of Wands, may chance kang maka-attract ng mga customers, opportunities, ayan. Potential that any project that you will grow or any project that you will start this week, magiging successful with the Queen and King of Wands being together in your tarot spread. Okay? Ayan. And you will gain a lot of customers because Six of Wands is a card of success, victory, and public recognition. Talking about your career, business, and money, okay? But when it comes to love life, yun nga. Some of you makaka-receive ng good news this week, makakatanggap ng rewards sa mga pagsisikap ninyo. Ayan. You'll have the self-confidence to you're going to receive achievement and promotion, job promotion this week. Ayan. Maybe ito na yung inaantay ninyo. Kumbaga, sa business or sa money or sa career, magkakaroon ng money increase. Okay? Ayan, victory, success. But when it comes to your, I feel like yung iba sa inyo when it comes to spirituality and mental health or physical health, a lot of you are signs you are gonna be withdrawn from public. Mas gusto niyo yung mapag-isa. Parang ayaw mo nang makihalubilo sa iba. Kasi meron kang, wala ka sa mundo. Parang ang dami mong iniisip this week. Or ang dami mong iisipin this week. With this hermit. Meron kang pinag-iisipan. Okay, you are contemplating. You're doing some sort of introspection and soul searching. Okay, there is parang, alam mo yun, yung nagmuni-muni ka, ang dami mong mga katanungan sa buhay, parang ganun. Yan ang mga hermit eh. Pag sinasabing hermit mode, ang sasabihin sa'yo ng tao, alam nang nangyayari sa kanya, hindi na naman siya kumikibo, may ibang mundo. Ang mga hermit mode, yung mga nag-hermit mode, sila yung may ibang mundo. Nasa ibang mundo sila kasi iba ang mga iniisip nila. Ayaw nilang madisturbo kasi nga, hindi ko alam kung mga ini-imagine ng mga nag-hermit mode. Okay, kanya-kanya yung imagination ng mga yung mga sinasabing nag-hermit mode. Ayan. May mga taong ganyan, di ba? Ayun, tinotopak yan. May sarili ang mundo. Actually, yung mga ganyan, nag-hermit mode sila. Okay, so hayaan nyo lang yung mga taong may palaging may ibang mundo. Ayan, wala sa mundo. Hello! Come back to earth! Ganon. Nag-hermit mode sila. Okay, they're doing some sort of soul searching. Kumbaga, question sila, bakit ganito ako? Bakit hindi ako mahal? Bakit anong nangyayari sa buhay ko? Bakit puro kapalpakan? Ganon ang mga nangyayari sa mga nag-hermit mode. Ang daming tanong sa mga questions about spirituality. Okay, mga questions. Example lang yan ha. Mga nag-hermit mode, ganito yan, mga yan. Okay, may Diyos pa ba? Nasaan si God? Okay, ganon. Pinapakinggan pa ako mga prayers ko, yung mga ganon. Mananalo pa ako sa loto, mga pangarap ko. Ganon ang mga nag-hermit mode. Ang dami nilang, kumbaga, wala sila sa, di ba, pag kinakausap mo, parang, lutang na lutang, yung mga ganon, nag-hermit mode sila, kaya hayaan nyo lang. Iba naman yung Four of Cups, kasi yung Four of Cups talaga, moody. Moody na may emotionally withdrawn na may kasamang irritable. Pag kinakausap mo, biglang naiinis na. Ano ba? Ganon. Or, ayoko makinig. Ganon. Or basta ganon ng mga Four of Cups energy. Yung di ka pinapansin, kinakausap, and irritable. Okay, ayaw. Yung nagpapabebe, yung mga Four of Cups nagpapabebe. Pero yung hermit mode, iba kasi. Parehas silang mga emotionally withdrawn. Okay? So, ayan, na-explain ko na. Punta naman tayo sa... when it comes to your finances and career, Six of Wands and Three of Cups. Three of Pentacles. Oh my God, this is you collaborating with some people. It would lead to your success. If you are thinking about partnering up with someone, some people, okay, and my teamwork, good teamwork, would lead to success and rewards. Oh, di ba? So, yan. Punta na tayo sa advice ninyo. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Advice sa iyo ng yung spirit, guys, this week regarding your situation. Oh, you have the Fool. Spread your wings and fly this week. Okay? Take that leap of faith. Spread your wings and fly. Wala kang dapat ikatakot. wala kang dapat, huwag ka na mag-isip-isip kung ano-ano. Just believe in yourself, have confidence. Okay? Yan ang advice. You have the star. All your dreams are coming true. So, may opportunities na darating. Okay? Have faith. Sabi ko yan, di ba? Have faith, have hope. Your experience, this week, you will experience some sort of healing in all, maybe in all aspects of your life. Financial, physical, mental, emotional healing. Okay? Ayan. Rejuvenate. Okay, rejuvenate. Ibig sabihin, magpahinga ng, make sure that you are having plenty of rest this week. Rest, okay? Rest. Ayan. Oh, 10 of Cups. Everything you planned for has worked out or will work out. Okay? There is this energy of happiness, lasting success. There's home feeling blessed, generosity, contentment with family. Ayan. Okay, good energy naman pala. So, ayan. Next, you have, the Four of Pentacles. Holding on too tight can stop you from moving forward. So, ano ba yung mga, maybe you're holding back something, earth signs. Okay, lose control. Okay, wag masyadong controlling. Ano pa? Conserve money. Ayan. Protect your energy, okay? So, set some boundaries this week. So, tama lang na mag-hermit mode ka. Setting up boundaries means saying no, wag mo na makipag-usap. You know, we have our boundaries. So, you're setting up your boundaries means that you are protecting your energy from toxic people. And conserve means mag-ipon when it comes to money. Okay? Save up some money. Huwag masyadong gastos ng gastos. Okay? Ayan. 10 of Cups. Advice dito is focus on the happiness. Okay? Focus on love. Ayan. Let love wins, kumbaga. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Oh my God. Pasensya na, guys. Okay? Ayan, lutang na lutang ako. Okay, gutom na kasi ako. Wala pa akong kain. Ayan, so what else? Okay, I think that's all. So, bago ako magtatapos, okay? So, bago ako magtatapos, earth signs, ayan, meron akong binabenta. Okay, sa mga naghahanap ng Justice Spell Jar, you have this, 270 pesos lang. Take a screenshot and then message mo ako sa Facebook page Bono Magos. Okay? Ayan, 270. Sulat nyo lang yung pangalan ng tao dito sa papel. 1 person per jar only. And then yung intention nyo or gusto nyo mangyari sa tao. Like, mag-sorry na siya. Ganon. Something like that. Okay? Sa mga naghahanap ng AFAM or love life, you have love and attraction spell jar. This is 290 pesos. Okay? Take a screenshot and then message nyo ako sa Facebook page, Bono Magos. Gusto nyo magkaayos kayo ng iyong partner, asawa, kung naghiwalay kayo, you need this relationship repair jar. This is 290 pesos din. Okay? Take a screenshot and then message nyo po ako. Ayan. Business success spell jar para maging successful ang mga business ninyo, negosyo. Ayan. Okay, sulat niyo yung mga name of products niyo dito or yung business name. Ayan. Okay, gagawin niyo ng ritual. May instructions po sa pag bumili kayo dito. May kasamang instructions. Okay? So, naghahanap ng protection sa kulam at sa mga nakulam dyan. Okay, takot kayong pumunta sa albularyo para gawin yung mga ritual, I don't know kung anong ginagawa nila. Okay, you need this protection and healing necklace. Okay, protection from kulam and mangkukulam. Okay, this is 1,000 pesos only. 2-in-1 na yan. Lifetime to ha. Sorry. Lifetime po ito. Okay? So, for 1,000, may lifetime protection ka na sa kulam and magagamot kayo dito. Okay? Once uminit yung bato sa katawan, yan po ang sign na gumagana yung may visa po siya. Okay? Ayan. Powerful bestseller natin, red bracelet. pangkalahatan. Ang daming mga gandang feedback dito mga madam. Ang binabayaran nyo sa akin dito is ritual actually. Yung ritual na nilalagay ko dito sa bracelet. Yung ritual sa Latin na nilalagay ko dito sa bracelet. Actually, pwede nyo itong mabili. Itong mga items ko na to sa ibang mga seller. Okay? Ang question, may visa ba sa kanila? Or I don't know. Okay? Eto, pwede nyong mabili actually sa Shopee to ng 15 pesos or 20. Ayan. Binibenta ko dito sa akin ng 700 pesos kasi ginagawan ko ng ritual sa Latin. Okay? Mga feedback sa ginagawa kong ritual, makikita nyo sa Facebook page, Bono Magos. And meron din akong ritual na ginawa doon sa Latin. Pakinggan nyo yung ritual na ginawa ko. Okay? Sumpa sa inyong angkan. Ayan. Pang-alis sa sumpa. This is 1,900 pesos. Malakas ang sumpa. Kaya 1,900. Ang lakas ng energy yan tanggalin, mga madam. Sa sumpa ng iyong angkan. Ay, grabe, mabigat yan. Buong angkan, tatanggalin. Grabe, mabigat yan. For only 1,900 pesos. Matatanggal na. Okay, sangka pa. Ayan. Okay, so message nyo lang ako sa Facebook page. Maraming salamat. Okay? And I'll see you guys next time. Ingat po. God bless and more power. Paalam!